Before buying a lens for safari photography, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real challenge isn't just finding a lens that zooms in. It's finding one that truly captures the beauty of wildlife without breaking the bank. Product number 1, JINTU 420-800 lens. The JINTU 420-800 f8.3 manual telephoto zoom lens caught my eye with its impressive zoom range at a budget-friendly price of just $55.71. If you want to capture stunning wildlife shots from a distance, this is worth a serious look. This lens is designed specifically for Canon SLR cameras, and it features a solid all-metal construction. Its ultra-high-definition image quality means you can capture details even when your subject is far away, perfect for those elusive animals on safari. The manual focus might be a learning curve, but it also gives you creative control over your shots. With over 738 reviews and a decent rating of 4.1 stars, many are satisfied with the results. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll be able to photograph everything from birds in trees to lions lounging on the savannah without disturbing them. Now, some people complained about the manual focus being tricky, especially for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a little time learning how to use it, the payoff is well worth it. This lens can really help you develop your photography skills. This is perfect for you if you're a passionate photographer looking to capture wildlife from a distance without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer autofocus lenses that are easier to use right out of the box. Honestly, at this price point, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the manual focus aspect of the JINTU bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Leitdo 420-800 lens. The Leitdo 420-800 f8.3 telephoto zoom lens is another great option, priced slightly lower at $54.39. If you want a lens that offers flexibility and great image quality, you should definitely check this one out. Similar to the JINTU, this lens is also a super telephoto, allowing you to get up close with wildlife without getting too close. The internal focus mechanism and UMC technology help minimize aberrations, giving you clear images while you're tracking that elusive elephant. With a rating of 4 stars from 724 reviews, it's clear that many have found success with this lens. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can capture everything from fast-moving animals to serene landscapes, ensuring you don't miss a moment on your safari. On the downside, the manual focus can frustrate those used to autofocus systems, and some users noted difficulty with focusing quickly. But honestly, if you're dedicated to improving your photography skills, this lens challenges you in the best way. This is perfect for you if you're a budding photographer wanting to enhance your skills while capturing majestic wildlife. Skip this if you need something straightforward with autofocus. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a little more modern technology. Product number 3, Leitdo 420-800 lens white. Next up is another variant from Leitdo, the 420-800 f8.3 telephoto zoom lens priced at $46.23. This version comes in white, making it a stylish alternative. If you want to capture amazing shots while also looking good, this lens deserves a look. It requires manual focus, which helps you get familiar with the camera settings and improve your photographic skills. This model also includes a T-mount adapter for easy compatibility with various Canon models. With 142 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, many users appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed to bring distant subjects closer with clarity, making it ideal for safari trips. However, some users found the manual focus challenging and reported issues with focusing on moving subjects. But look, if you're willing to work through that, you'll find it's a great learning tool that can create stunning images. This is perfect for you if you're keen on learning the art of photography and want to capture breathtaking wildlife shots. Skip this if you prefer lenses that require zero manual adjustments. For the price, it's an excellent investment. Now, if you're looking for something that combines ease of use with quality, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Canon RF75-300mm lens. The Canon RF75-300mm f4.56 lens is priced at $272.95 and offers a more user-friendly option with autofocus capabilities. If you're looking for a lens that balances zoom and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. This lightweight lens is designed for Canon RF mount cameras and covers a versatile focal range. The variable aperture of f4.56 means you can work in various lighting conditions without losing quality. With a 4.6-star rating from 47 reviews, users appreciate its performance in capturing fast-moving subjects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its optical design enhances sharpness and clarity, allowing you to capture stunning shots of animals in motion. Some users mention that the lens isn't as fast as pricier options when it comes to autofocus. But honestly, if you're looking for a reliable lens that's easy to handle, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of quality and convenience for capturing wildlife. Skip this if you're set on ultra-zoom lenses. While it may be pricier, it provides solid value for those who want ease of use. Now, for those who want a true all-in-one lens, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Tamron 18-300mm lens. Finally, we have the Tamron 18-300mm f3.563 di III VC VXD zoom lens priced at $599. This is the perfect all-in-one lens for the photographer who doesn't want to switch lenses constantly. If you want versatility without sacrificing quality, this one's for you. This lens features a huge zoom range, making it ideal for everything from landscapes to wildlife. The lightweight design is perfect for travel, and the vibration compensation system helps keep your images steady, even in tricky situations. It's compatible with Canon RF mount APS-C mirrorless cameras and comes with a 4.9-star rating from 38 reviews. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can capture everything from a close-up of a bird to a sweeping landscape with just one lens. However, some reviews noted that it might not perform as well in low light compared to other options. But here's the thing, for the convenience of an all-in-one lens, this trade-off could be worth it, especially on safari where you might not want to change lenses in the field. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one lens that can handle various shooting situations. Skip this if you need a specialized lens for low-light photography. While it's at a higher price point, the value you get is impressive. That wraps up our top 5 lenses for safari photography. To recap, we've covered the GINTU and Lightdo manual lenses, which are great for those on a budget and looking to improve their skills. Then we had the Canon RF lens, a great blend of quality and convenience, and finally the Tamron lens, which offers incredible versatility. Each of these lenses has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to your personal needs. Happy shooting on your next safari adventure!